Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the current state of my closet and my drawers. I just wanted to say, like, it doesn't always look like this, but yeah, it's been a while. Cleaning lady hasn't been here, and guess what? I'm the cleaning lady today, so we got to get this under control. So first things first, I'm gonna put like these into my drawers. They're clean laundry. I separated them by type. I got some swimsuits, PJ tops, underwear, PJ bottoms, and then I have all that stuff on the bed to hang. So I thought I'd just show you guys how I clean. Strapped everywhere. I'm sure this is like making OCD people like totally anxious. Like all of my accessories are just like hanging on for dear life actually. But anyway, so I thought you might want to clean with me. I gotta get a handle on this. This is all empty over here because that was my maternity clothes, so now I have to like figure out how I want to reorganize my closet. The floor, you see this? I'll just hang up a few things. Be right back. These are all the clothes I have to hang. Send help, send wine. Send anything. Better get to it though. Alright, I put all the clothes on the hangers. I don't know why, but I hate this part. Like actually putting them into the closet. You would think it would be like kind of gratifying, like, oh look. But no, how I really feel is like, this is a pain in the butt. Maybe I'll just leave them on the hangers here for a few more weeks. You know what I mean? Like, they're clean enough now. They're in a neat stack. I don't know. That's just bothering me about myself. Like, I don't know. But I have everything organized by type, like all my dresses that were clean are in one stack. My sweaters go in a different area. And I've got a couple of scarves. These are like Arizona scarves where they pretend to be scarves, but really they're not. Like I have empty shelves, in fact. And I know most women would like kill for that. But I know I'm underutilizing it. I just can't, I don't know. Trying to figure out what I want to keep because my sizes have changed. I was like thin, then pregnant, then postpartum, then thin, then pregnant, then postpartum, nursing. And now I still have some maternity clothes. I'm still pumping, so I like different kinds of shirts, like shirts that I can pull open and stuff to nurse. But in a couple months that won't be as important. So I'm like kind of thinking maybe I'll wait to do a closet declutter until then. I don't know, and see like what my size settles on, but I'm gained like the quarantine 15, not actually 15, but you know, everybody says like the freshman 15 in college. Well, I gained like the coronavirus equivalent. And so I don't want to get rid of the thin clothes because I feel like I could very easily be back there. And I know I'm really hungry right now, and I don't know if that's because of breastfeeding. So perhaps I won't be pretty soon. I don't know. But anyway, I'm almost done putting the bags away, and then I have a couple of belts to put away. And then I'm going to tackle that whole monstrosity. Okay, so a lot of the reason these are in here is because they're like my seasonal decor. So right now I have like my patriotic stuff up. And so like my regular non-season like decor is just in here. And so I like to keep this accessible so I can change it out, you know, a few times a year. But I do have a lid. It's right here. Maybe I could get all this other crap out of there so I can put a lid on it. That would be really nice. Alright, so I cleaned out a lot of that stuff, and I ended up taking my maternity clothes out of here because honestly I don't use them anyway. So let me give you a better view. So like these right here are just my bras hung, and it actually has like a pretty nifty like system. I think this is for ties or belts or something, but I just like hung my bras here. I don't know if that's what you're I don't know. I've never had like a fancy closet before, and this one, we moved into this house a year and a half ago, and it had like all these built-ins and shoe shelves and stuff, so I was like, oh, okay. So I'm just gonna like neaten up the shoes. I think I might do like a purse declutter because I have probably 20 purses and I only use one. Like, I could have 5, you know, fancy one, a change of purse in case that one got broken, but really, this whole situation is not necessary. So I'm just gonna do a quick cleanup, move some hangers around. Okay, so it isn't perfect, but I did make an improvement over here. I moved the tubs over there, got my maternity clothes put away. I completely cleared out down here, but I obviously need to spend some time in the jewelry area. And did the purses. So I put all of the extra hangers up here that were just like cluttering up everything. And then I just put the extra pants hangers, which isn't many, down there. I tucked those tubs there, hung all my bras up on that rack. I didn't really touch the shoes much. I just kind of left them as they were, but straightened up a few pair. Over here though, oh, look at that white shelf. I decided to sit there and painfully untangle all the jewelry. And I have had some extra these little strippy doodads. They stick to the wall. I've had 2 extra just like sitting here for like, I don't know, a year. And I just put one here on the side because I feel like now I will wear those long dainty necklaces because they're not tangled. Every time I want to wear one, they're tangled and I'm like, forget it, you know? So now I have a place to put them, and then I put the other one right there. And it's like not well lit. It's a picture of Daisy when she was a little baby. I thought it was so cute. Anyway, I just thought rather than having to dig through drawers and stuff, they're not tangled anymore. That's always nice. And then up here, I separated my purses by color. So white, brown, burgundy, and red, black. And then I hung the hats neatly behind the door. I could have put my belts here. I thought about it, but I didn't. This is like my wallets and little clutches and colorful purses. I just have a few. This is my husband's eyesore. He's doing stuff with the computer modem and I don't even know what all that crap is. So let's just ignore that. So I moved my dresses out of the way so he can like figure out what he's doing there. If you couldn't tell, I'm doing this over multiple segments here. And then I found this belts hanger. This thing I've had for years, and it was just like laying on the floor. So I decided to just put brown belts on one side and black belts on the other. And then I had a turquoise belt, obviously, random. So I fit all of my like winter coats and dresses in this one little section. And I left my husband's clothes as they are because I'm not going to be responsible for that. And that's my tripod. I'll move that. And then over here, for the most part, it's the same, just shoes as they were. I could put more on top here and some on the floor level, but I kind of like the floor being neat. Not gonna lie, it's really nice. And then in here, I had to put that jewelry somewhere, right? This is a built-in jewelry thing. In case you want to rob me, guys, it's all fake, okay? I'd say 99% of this is fake. But I separated them all by color. And then these are like rings. They're all fake. None of these are real. And then these are the more special type of necklaces like my husband has bought me over the years or I've gotten as gifts. But other than that, like I have my charms here that I can change onto a plain old chain if I want. But yeah, I separated by like metal color and color. And then up here, I didn't really change a ton, but this is like my jackets by color. I tried to do the Roy G. Biv. I did modify it a little bit later, but red, orange, yellow, green, you know, that kind of thing. Pants. I do need to go through these because, let's be honest, I'm more like an 18 these days, and I probably have 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 on here. Maybe a few maternity too. Not gonna lie. That should happen, but it hasn't yet. And then I used to do Roy G. Biv here. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. But I kind of modified it because my upper level, the black sweaters spilled onto this rack, and so I moved the red stuff down here, and it just made sense for me. But yeah, so that's all my shirts right there. Just this like red orange top part and then this bottom part. That's all my shirts. And then I do have, this is a hot mess, okay, just don't even judge me. This is like my cabinet for like suitcasey type things, my packing cubes, tote bags, stuff like that. And then underwear, and then These are my like sleeping camis, loungewear tanks. These are what I wear most of the days. And then these are like PJ shorts, PJ bottoms, loungewear bottoms. And then our laundry hamper has never closed completely, like from the day we toured the house. And I just don't care. Like, honestly, I leave it open anyway, so that when I'm undressing by this door, where the bathtub and the shower are, I can just kind of like throw my stuff in. I would say most of my laundry ends up sitting right here. And then on the day of laundry, I toss it in. But that is it for the closet. I just think it looks so much better in here, so much cleaner. And I'm sure the cleaning lady who actually cleans will love it. And this is what has become of my bathroom because I cleaned out the closet. Here we go. All right, guys, it isn't perfect, okay? But I can see the floor and the counters. I need to like wash things like the sinks and stuff and mirrors, but at least for right now, I can walk. Like, obviously, I don't want the kids' toys out, but the truth is they're gonna get them out again at bath time in a few hours, so why put them away just for the sake of filming, right? Closet is done and organized. Bathroom is done. Hey, Penny. Dog is, there's my tripod again. Hey, puppy. Hi. Hi. She's gonna stare at me? Okay, cool. Like the cords here, like I need to do something, but it's the baby monitor, it's my cell phone charger, it's the portable cell phone charger, it's my laptop charger, it's just, it is what it is. Robes, fan, more cords. Eleanor is not allowed in here, so we have a baby gate, so the kids don't come in here really, except for bath time. AV cabinet, bottled water, which we just use. We use it at bedtime, you know. I straightened this up a little bit. This stuff is all for Goodwill, rickety chair. And then over here, I just need to do this another day because I don't have the energy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.